This one's called Sleeping Beauty. There are many who yearn to be frozen while their youth is at its peak, to stretch out that ephemeral time into 100 years or more. There are others who seem not to discover themselves until late in life, following sundry other paths until they stumble upon a true vocation, such as writing. We call them sleeping beauties, these authors who blossom in a later season, their measured, mature prose a welcome antidote to the youthful brouhaha that's all the rage in the marketplace these days. But far too many are the true sleeping beauties, who at a tender age find a harsh critic who belittles their talent and their fantasies with a verbal barb sharper than the nib of any fountain pen that silences the stories, poems, daydreams they might have written. Be it from parent or teacher, sibling or spouse, just one tiny prick of criticism is all it takes sometimes to put a burgeoning writer to sleep for 100 years, for a lifetime, for so long that no princes are left to hack through the brambles, or if one is, he can't imagine that he should bother.